Hello everyone. So in this video I'll be explaining how you can use Apache Livy with Sparkflows. So Sparkflows gives you the ability to submit jobs on EMR cluster, and one way to connect to the EMR cluster is through the Livy service, which can be enabled on EMR. So once you have enabled Livy on the EMR, you can run different analytical jobs from the Sparkflows by configuring the Livy service. So let's see how do we do that. First, go to the administration section, click on the configurations, then click on connections, and make sure that the connection.livy.enable is set as true. So once you have that, go back to the administration section, click on global connections, and here you can add a connection for Livy. Let's choose the compute connection, and here we can see that the Livy connection is already enabled. Let's give the Livy connection a name. The postback URL will be the URL where your service is already running, fire.abc.com/message from Spark job. Give a title, Livy connection demo, a brief description, and here would be your Livy URL that is exposed by the EMR service. So make sure that this service is accessible for the Sparkflows Fire service. Let's use some dummy URL for now. By default, it runs on 8998. This is going to be the default driver class which is used when we are submitting the job. Click on next. Here we are going to provide the path of the Fire Spark jar. So when you have received the tar file where all the jars are located, you have to find and upload this jar and upload on the S3 in a specific directory. So the name of the jar would be fire-spark_3.2.1 code 3.1.0, whatever is the latest version of the jar that you are installing, with dependencies .jar. So make sure you have uploaded this jar. Without this jar, the application is not going to work as expected. So make sure you have added the jar in a specific S3 bucket. Apart from that, if you want to customize how much of memory is going to be used by the driver, or the number of cores, or the executed memory, you can configure all from here. So once you have done, just click on next. And right now we are just going to ignore SDFS and Hive configuration because that is already configured for the EMR cluster. And then we can test the connection. So we already have a connection enabled, and if you go to the execution, we can see that this particular job is being executed on the Livy. So that's all for today, and hope you have understood how do we connect with the Livy. Thank you.